Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another plan with me. I wanted to jump on and do this one real quick before I go to bed because I'm already planning like this week in this planner because I plan a week ahead. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I haven't gotten this done yet. But between like my shop anniversary and stuff, it just didn't happen. So this kit is from BrittaniaNicole and it's really simple to lay down because everything fits perfectly, which I really like. So I'm going to show you guys that. I don't know if I'll put down the numbers with you guys because that's kind of time consuming, but the whole reason I even made a purple bow was this kit. And then the other funny thing is that it's like kind of Easter themed. It's got some eggs and stuff in it. And I'm like, I should have put this in a long time ago because there's eggs in it, like an Easter basket and stuff like that. So that's kind of funny. So these extra boxes are for right here. And you can get her monthly kits with my discount code. So you can use code RunWith20 for 20% off and get you this. And then my clip from my shop, you can use code YouTube10 and get 10% off, $5. So it's like 2 clips. You buy 2 clips, you get 10% off. Just because it's more efficient for me to pack that order. In other words. So here's this. That one's cute. It says floral, flower trend, natural watercolor. All these different words. I like it. Okay, and then we'll put the butterfly right here. It's crooked. I was like, nope, not laying it down yet. Okay, and then we'll use this one up top on the sidebar. Thought that was all one piece, but then it wasn't. That's what happened. Okay, so there's that one, and then there's this one. These are all like little checklists, and you can use them for whatever you want. And then she has little headers on the side here for you to kind of label it, or you can just write your own in if none of those apply. Just write your own. I don't particularly like lines, so I like monthly kits like this where there's no lines. That's just the way I am. Okay, so this one has little eggs and butterflies, and I think I'm gonna put this on Easter. So there's a couple extra boxes, so you can kind of just decorate your boxes how you want, and then you can basically, you'll still have your numbers because you have these, so you can put those in like so. So then you still get to see what you want to see. So I'm going to go ahead and put down a couple more boxes. So we have, let's see, does she have that? So there's April Fool's Day. She has that on here. So I'll put that down there at the bottom. And then she also has Easter. So I'll put that right there. I think I'm going to skip it. And then Passover ends is over here. We could put this one right there. And then put the 7 in. So we can line that up. And then put Passover ends across that one. It's cute. And then Earth Day is over here, and we can use this little green one with the little tulips. That's cute. I actually did an Earth Day clip once. It was a globe. I know, I'm super original. Alright, so that's the 22nd. So I'll probably go ahead and put in all the numbers eventually, but I figured for the case of this, I would just do it that way. So here's Earth Day. That one down. Okay, and then, let's see, so I'm gonna put goals. So for the month, what goals do I have? And then I'm gonna put to do on here because there's gonna be a lot to do to get ready for the sale. And then I'm gonna put gonna put important, but it'll kind of be my like to buy, like things I need to buy. So I know that this month I've already bought, where's my purple pen? Goodness. So I've already bought some black paper, the clips for pen loops, clips, pens, and then I bought, no, that was last month. Okay, yeah. So that's what I bought for this month so far already. We're gonna go ahead and put down quarter box. There's lots of quarter boxes. She included for all appointments, however you want to do it. So I'm gonna grab one of these and put it down on the 12th for the TPC sale. I'll put that down, and then we'll use this little shopping bag. Give me the shopping bag. Oh, you're connected to everybody else. What? There. I don't know why that was stuck on there. Okay, put that one down. And this is the Planners Collaborative sale that I'm in, so TPC sale. Put that in there. And then I don't know about any other sales, I don't think, this month. But this goes all the way through. I should have grabbed some washi. Why didn't I do that? I usually like to have some washi go all the way across. I think I have some purple right here. Ooh, that would be perfect. Okay, so this is from the washi tape shop. I PR for them as well, so that works out. That's sticky? Yeah, it was kind of peeled up. So the TPC sale goes until, I believe, the 16th, I want to say. Is it 12th through the 16th? I feel like that's right. Let me see. I have it on my Instagram. So that's the easiest place to check. It was in the I'm in post. Yep, the 16th. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's a lot. It wasn't very sticky. That's what I was worried about. Okay, so I'm going to put another one of the boxes. Where's the box I used? Oh, right there. We'll grab the same color so I don't get confused, because that's easily done, as you can see. Okay, so the 16th will be the last day of the TPC sale. And we'll put another shopping bag. I haven't even really like had time to look at what the other shops are doing. Like, they've done some videos and stuff in the group, and I've caught some of those. So we'll use that as my continuation washi. There. And so then last day TPC sale. There. Awesome. Okay. So that worked out. These ones I don't really use in this planner because it's for Etsy as far as that goes. There is a bill due always on the 1st, but we'll put it on the 2nd just because I don't want to cover up the eggs. So that would be like whatever you owe left over on Etsy goes through that day. So Etsy. And then it would also be my Cricut subscription. So Cricut goes in on there as well. So those are some bill dues for the shop. And then the payday stickers, we can use those. You can get paid every couple of days from Etsy, or you can like schedule when you want to get paid. But pretty much stuff from the weekend you get paid for on Tuesday. So I'm just going to put these on Tuesdays. So payday on the 3rd. I'm going to go every other so it's not the same color twice. Give me this. Okay, and then payday on the 10th. I mean, today's only the 1st, so I feel like this isn't too bad. But this won't go up tomorrow, so because my other video is. Now it doesn't want to come up. There we go. Having trouble getting it. Like grabbing it. It wasn't like it's cut, obviously. But I'm like trying to get it off. See, it's cut. It just doesn't want to let me have it. Let me have it. There we go. It likes to be pulled from the other side, apparently. There we go. So those would be the paydays for Etsy. Can't think of anything else. And then I skipped putting Easter down. I feel bad doing that. Maybe we'll put it somewhere. Can I put it up here? Easter Sunday. But then it looks like all Sundays are Easter. Okay, we'll just stack it next to each other. The eggs are peeking out. I guess it's okay. I could not use it. It looks funny just putting April Fool's Day. Okay, so I still have a lot of bill dues, the work ones, some little functionals. I'll put the date covers down. Well, I guess it won't take me too long, but that's all I'm going to do next. There's one more egg box. I guess we could put that down. I feel like right here is good. That right there. Okay. So put the 20th on that one so I don't mess it up when I go around. I'll probably still mess up my date squares. I've done it before. I thought I pulled my tweezers over here. Guess not. Maybe I put them back. Why would I do that? Because I never put anything back. That's the joke. My desk is always a mess. I'm like, I'm creative in my chaos. That's what I tell my husband. Every single time. Oh, that's really crooked. Can't have that. Can't have that. That's why I like the tweezers. Which apparently are not by my desk. Close enough. Okay. Then we have the 4th. And I'm already like panicking about my son's birthday. That is crooked. See, this is why I have to have tweezers. Because then it'll be crooked if I don't. Because I want to get it all the way in the corner because I'm weird. I don't think that's weird. I think it's normal, but you guys might think it's weird. I don't know. Okay, these ones should be easier. Oh, I pulled off 2 at the same time because I'm just that talented. That was a joke. Okay. Then here's the 6th. No, crooked. See, I went down with it and I don't know why. It's hard to see. Okay, 7, 8. I don't know why I'm excited for this month. Prom is this month. We get a teacher work day, I think on the 20th. So that's kind of nice. It's just the day off without the students, and we have like staff meetings usually. And then we have like time to work in our classrooms. I think that will be around mid-quarter. I think that's why we have that one. So then we can post mid-quarter grades the following Monday. And then the students know where they're at. And honestly, it's just a couple weeks, it feels like, until graduation. They're already doing like the senior meetings and stuff. So I'm a teacher by day. So this is my Etsy planner, but my full-time income job is teaching. So there's that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for all you purple lovers out there, I know you're just gonna love this spread. I also have a purple rose with a gold outline clip in my shop, but this one had tulips, so I didn't get it out. I was like, oh, then we'll just do the purple bow. So that's how that happened. So not that it doesn't match, I just was like, there's no roses, they're all tulips, so why would I do that? I don't know. That's just me. I don't want to mix up flowers. There is yellow though, so I feel like that's kind of golden. I don't know. As far as new releases this week, I'll probably have just a couple. I'm working on a new pen loop, a new pattern, not like brand new, like never been invented. Definitely you've seen it before, just a new design for those. And then I'm thinking I'm probably going to try to get that rain boot done, because I used to have one in the shop and then it sold out, so I need to make another one. Trying to decide between floral, polka dot, or striped boot, but we already talked about how I can't find rain boots in my size. That was in my other video from Monday. I don't know when this one's going up. 22nd, 23rd. And then I feel like once we get past this teacher workday, it's like, okay, there's a month and then school is out. It just speeds up so quick. Oh, that's crooked. Oh, not crooked, just lower. So it's actually straight. So because there's like the week of finals, you can't really like teach anything. You're testing like pretty much the entire time. So the week before that is pretty much all reviewing. So you can't really teach that week either. And then we have like EOCs before that even happens, which I'm trying to remember when my EOC dates are. I don't remember. They might be next week. I don't recall. I probably wrote it down in my teacher planner, which is at work, so I can't look at it right now. which is good. I try to keep work at work and home at home, so as far as that goes. That's why I don't take my fun planners like this one. I don't take those to work with me because I'll be distracted, and I don't take my teacher planner home, which is why you guys are like, do the teacher plan with me, and I like don't, because that's for work, so it stays at work. Only if like I'm gonna be gone for like spring break, or if I'm gonna be out sick for a couple days, then I like to have it with me because I'll stress about like what I need to prep for when I come back. So alright, so I went ahead and did the date off anyway. So what I have left is a couple of these. There's actually boxes I think cut out. There's a couple of extra ones, so if you mess up, which I've done before, there's 6 quarter boxes left on this one. There's still a bunch on this one. 12 quarter boxes on that one. A bunch of functionals and bill dues, so I still have those. But I think that's the way my spread is gonna look, and this is gonna be really funny because look, there's like part of the bow right there, so I'm just like putting the rest of the bow on there. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.